Okay. That was a wasted freaking 5 minutes.
Can you hear us now? Here's the problem. When you do anything with streaming, okay? For those of you who don't know, we're going to be streaming on Killa Print's channel on YouTube tomorrow for the 3D printing elves. So they were doing a practice stream. Was that yesterday? I think yesterday did a practice stream. So you have to change all your settings for that. And then when you come back to your stream and you don't revert back, now you're stuck on yesterday's settings, which I wouldn't be surprised if happens again, because tomorrow you're gonna have to go back, and then next week we'll have to go back. It's so much.
Yeah, I had my. Yeah.
Well, you didn't hear anything I said, then I'm sorry.
You want this shirt?
Hey,
I'll send it to you. Hang on. What's your address?
Please don't make him take
the only one I got, man. When you
anyway,
everything breaks with an easy update. Yeah, so sorry about that. I don't know what all we said. Welcome, hello. Also, I did say this. If you know what a landline is, anybody know what a landline is? If you know what a landline is, or if you don't know what a landline is, hit the like button. Yeah, I said that.
If you do or don't, then that's kind of not going to separate the fact. Like,
that's the point.
Then it's pointless.
It just means everybody hit the like button, babe.
Oh, hell. Anyway, I was saying hi to Zach, because I know Zach hasn't been around for a while, and I saw where you said you're getting back to the scene. And then I was saying, like, he'd be surprised how many people reach out to me and are like, "We heard from Zach. What's Zach up to? Is Zach okay? Where's Zach?" And then I was talking about MakerMind Nexus. Hi, Dan. That I haven't caught many of your streams lately because my life is chaos. And I'll just do a quick rundown of what you couldn't hear a minute ago. Was that both my girls have jobs, but neither have cars. So I am a chauffeur currently. And I feel like I have no time for anything anymore. My life is just nuts. So I'm sorry I haven't been around much my dang self.
There is people out there, a good amount of people. It's mostly the older generation that has landlines still. So there is a good amount out there that still does.
Liz, did he hear what you say, Killa? No.
Liz, you just missed the whole 5 minutes of this stream that was all no mic sound. So we was just having a good old time, having a conversation over here to ourselves.
Happy Saturday. Does he need tech support though, John? Yes. So the issue with Jeremy isn't that he doesn't know how. He knows how. That the guy, his brain, there's no organization with him. Like zero. So he knows how to do things, but it's like you took everything. You know those ball pits that, like, I don't even know if they have them anymore, McDonald's or Burger King, like the kids' ball pits. It's like that. Everything in Jeremy's head, just throw it in a ball pit and then have kids jump up and down on it. So, like,
Bryce, wake up. And
he knows how, but he can't remember shit.
There is.
It's all in there somewhere.
Yes,
It's not organized.
It's organized chaos. That's correct.
But you cannot even call chaos organized. It's not.
There's an organization.
Yours is not even
there
on
is
that
organization
level.
of chaos.
My life, I would consider organized chaos. I got to deal with kids. I got to deal with you. I got to deal with cooking, chores, grocery shopping, streaming, working, all the things. Mine's organized chaos. His is just chaos.
Yeah.
It's not organized.
No, it's organized chaos.
It's only organized chaos because I organize it for you after I ride your all day long.
My granny had my granny in Tennessee had an old school, the pulse dial phone. Yeah, that was a thing. You just go like this, and you got to wait for it to roll back, and then you pick the other number. Anybody out there that knows what that is, yeah, raise your hand. Just like who just said that? Sudden impact, rotary dial. Yeah, pulse dialing.
Oh, rotary phones, so satisfying.
Funny thing is, even a lot of the VoIP phones, I don't know. I haven't done that in a long time, but I used to install cable services and phones and stuff. Even the VoIP still had support for pulse dialing. Nobody uses it. I mean,
Zach said the place he looked at originally had landline jacks.
Tech cheaper. ADHD, unite! Stand it up for me.
Do you know something though? Is there multiple types of ADHD? Because I've been going to counseling, and my counselor keeps telling me, between telling and like asking, hinting at that she thinks I have ADHD too. But mine is organized. It's just that mine is all up here. I'm not very hyperactive.
You've got revision 2.7.
She says I need a non-stimulant ADHD medication because my brain is too fast.
Party line phones. There are categories, Josh said, of it.
Is there?
Different categories of ADHD.
Well, mine apparently is that I told her I have a tornado in my head.
Chris, what's the?
But it also
okay,
feels like a speed of light that's like that all the time.
OCD type behavior is coping mechanism for ADHD.
Oh, that would explain a lot.
Josh is ADHD,
I have the
mild hyperactive.
OCD. He's been going oh my gosh, to get like, I've had doctors give me medication for OCD and depression and all the things. Because depression medicine is supposed to work for OCD and anxiety and all things, like a cure-all pill, right? Never works. Not for me anyway. But yeah, so she's going with this huge pamphlet of figuring out my OCD levels, and while we're going over this, she keeps saying, I think you might have ADHD.
It's been like an everyday, not every day, once a week process for how many weeks now? 5?
No, I've been
6,
like
maybe?
Monday will be 8 sessions.
That's more than I have 5.
Yeah.
They said, what they say, it takes a long time to get through the OCD packet because people who are OCD tend to over-explain things.
Yeah, and then we literally get to like the last page of the packet, and then she tells me, let's just put this aside for a little bit, and let's focus more on some of this and this. I'm like, oh my gosh. Now, do you know when you do that to an OCD person, that doesn't work well, right,
yes.
lady? You put that aside. I'm still over here. We need to finish it. Maybe that was a test. That could have been a test.
Without meds, you get ADHD. With your ADHD, it shuts you down, but you can obsess yourself into a mental breakdown.
That's how I feel right now.
Party line is fun, as you get to listen to old women who's talking forever. Yeah. So let's take a look. You say you want to get. Let's get into it. So we've got. This box is not that big for a typical build. You know how big the boxes typically are. For LDO kits, pretty big.
Well, for what, one of these?
Yeah, for like a 2.4 or a Trident.
Blocking.
Or well, they can see.
One of those.
Back here.
Yeah, it's a huge box. It's like that size box.
Yeah. Big box. They're the LDO kits for the 2.4s and Tridents and such come in a much bigger box. This is what we got here.
It is a very small box for a printer.
Yep, a lot of printed parts with this thing. I was looking at the heat inserts. There's a good amount of heat inserts in there too. Take a look.
Love my heat inserts. Hey, weren't we supposed to be
It's not about the size.
Weren't we supposed to be getting a frax? Whatever happened to that?
I have no idea. That's Fabrico and Hoyt's.
I know. I think that got forgotten
out of
about.
stock of them, maybe, or
Yeah.
something. Very possible.
Not bad.
So we're gonna take a look in this box and see what's in here, and I also want to take a look at some of the documentation and see what we've got there. We can take a quick look over there real quick. Oh, you're getting other stuff over here. She's scaring me.
This is a CNC AWD kit. This is for something else, though, ain't it?
Yeah,
That's
it
for,
is.
That's for something else.
Yeah, that's all for some. That's all for that.
Oh, and the motors for it.
Hang on, quick pause.
Oh, I had to show this off too.
Yep. So these are gonna. I think we're gonna put this on this guy here. I didn't have the right motors. Didn't have the right motors for this. You need a little bit longer shaft motors to do the CNC all drive kit. But yeah, we've got the kit right here.
AWD kit.
And this is for a 2.4.
This is
This is for a 2.4. And yeah, I should have showed what's all in this sometime
Jason
too.
is the man.
This comes from LDO. Jason, thank you. Okay. Back over here.
If you got paid as much to do YouTube as you do for your normal job, we'd actually get stuff done.
Yeah, we would. True facts.
I was literally thinking about that the other day. That a lot of people that I know that stream, I don't know how many people out there that stream actually have full-time jobs on top of streaming, and
Jason is the man.
Kids at home and all the things. But golly,
they're all being dirty because I said my shaft is short. So yeah, let's take a look at the specs here. Printing size 115 by 110 millimeter in a cone.
This is our first Delta.
Construction Delta, yes, it's Delta build, so you can see how it's, basically you've got your 3 rods or however that come down that moves it around in a different.
Hi, Danny.
A little bit different than what we see for Core XY, Core XZ, and stuff like that. 5 boards integrated, motherboard big BTT. Port filament, anything you want to throw at it that you can get to print. 1.75 as usual. Printing speeds, diameter. Some of this stuff can be changed, right? Clipper. Yeah, some of this stuff can be changed to suit your preferences. They do have this here set up. It's got some documentation in here for the wiring diagram, clipper tutorial, the main board info, the configuration for clipper, Orca slicer profile. So they're getting some good stuff in here to take a look at. So the temporary build manual is right here. Apparently this is not done. Kangaroo Creations is in chat right now. Hello, and thank you for being here to answer any questions. If anybody has any questions during this stream about this, that, or the other, ping them, because they're here.
Kangaroo said,
did some organization. You already changed it on me.
Rod.
I refreshed
butchering your name, I'm sorry. It's not a cylinder. Oh, wait, it's a cylinder, not a cone.
Well, okay. Regardless.
Also, hi Kegel, hi Martin, hi Nick, hi Cody, hi everybody.
Yeah, I got it refreshed. Where are all the 2.85 printers? Precore. Yeah, I meant to. I don't want to interrupt this part, but I do have filament for you.
We'll show you.
Yeah, we'll show you. Remind me at the end if you're still here. I'll show you what we got for you. So yeah, we've got some docks here, and looking through, I've kind of peeked through this a little bit. Do have a lot of heat inserts. It's getting ready. Bing! Look at all that. There's a lot of heat inserts there. I actually like this though. I like that it kind of says, put your heat inserts into the following pieces, and just boom, they're there.
I like that they're hot pink and very easy to see.
Yeah. I actually like that. You know, you can kind of see it. And also we have the let me ask you this.
This is a very cute printer.
Is the CAD up to date? Like, are we good with it? So this is the CAD. Take a quick look at it here. We can kind of see. You see, we don't have any electronics in there. We got the motors in though. Looks like we do have the belts showing there, maybe. Yeah, belts are in there.
Print a lot of vases with this thing. Also, it's almost Christmas time. I could do a lot of stuff with this printer and make some Christmas presents.
I'm just trying to see what we got.
If somebody could come up with a printer that not printer, I guess, but glass. You know, you have glass filled. Just give me straight glass. Like, how do we melt down glass to make? And then, like, I could pour liquid metal in, liquid glass in. Is glass turned to liquid?
Yeah, I mean, basically, yeah.
And then I could print, like, wine bottles.
On-shape CAD is up to date. The downloadable step is not. Okay. What's up, Skyrim?
Think about that. If you could literally print with glass, like straight up, you could do a lot with
3D printing with glass.
Yeah, like you could make containers to can things. I can make my own wine. You can do a lot. You don't have to worry about it not being food safe.
Let's turn this.
Sorry, I'm going down a rabbit hole right now in my brain that probably doesn't make any sense.
I probably should open up the other CAD then, but 5015. I like how you just slapped 5015 on there. So yeah,
like
we've got
glass blowing.
A little bit of docs here to look through. So
that's fun to watch.
Let's open it up and see what we have.
To really melt it, it has to be hot. I watched this person on Twitch that does glass blowing, and like I love watch. It's so nice to watch. But he said it wears your arms out because that rod you got to hold at the end to like turn it. You know, that's heavy.
Move it in.
It's very strange to think about glass being a liquid, though. When you think about it, it's weird. Right. Like when you break it, just pieces.
Let's see what we got here. Tight.
Finally opening it. Audios always comes with these pretty little documents.
Let's look at the documents. Okay. Here we got.
E-Dog, hello, hello.
We've got a list of everything that comes in here.
It's tough having a heavy rod, yeah.
So yeah, we've got a list of all every screw, what the count is.
Holy cow, that is hot, Nick.
The spare parts, I was told that some of the stuff was hot. Can you explain that? King Rock, can you explain?
Can you explain your cat just got in here?
Cat just busted in the shop here.
How did you get in?
I think some of the stuff that's on here may have been missed. Like for example, if we needed the M3x8 button head cap screws in 3x8, maybe we needed 40. They added some extra here because we didn't put enough possibly. Just let's say hi to our little meanie real quick.
He snuck in.
This is the wild man. Look at him. He's a wild animal. He's a wild animal. Say hi to everybody.
He don't want to say hi.
Say hi.
He just wants to be a pain in the butt. This is a cat. I cannot keep him in the house if I tried. Yesterday it was raining and I didn't let him out. And oh my gosh, he just meowed and meowed and meowed the whole sticky day till it finally stopped raining. And then when it stopped raining, then he likes to knock over my camera. Fluffy. He likes to rub on things that are not secured, knock stuff over, climb on tables. He's a nutcase.
He'll drive you nuts until he gets what he wants.
Oh my gosh, it's funny. Throw your ass outside. Yeah, he's a pain.
He's a pain. He's very soft. But
maybe he has ADHD. Takes after you.
Maybe he does.
That's funny.
Maybe he does.
I could see that. And this one,
That's very possible.
Oh yeah. You went in the house though, don't you? That's why you're in here bugging. In out, like a toddler.
Doc, slide in here. You know what though? Dang, that's hard to get in. Is that gonna? I don't know how they did that. Do I really need to slide it back in though? Well, I need to get underneath that thing. Sheesh. So much trouble. We're gonna spend the whole stream trying to put the paper back in. Okay. Very fancy though. These are always in, you know, we've got several of these. You know, guys, got them everywhere. Okay, so we got a power cord in here. Some of this stuff I'm going to go ahead and take out because out of the bag. We don't need this bag anymore. You're always going to get a power cord for your stuff. And let me fix this too.
Meowja. Calms cats down. That's what he needs.
What calms them down?
Meowjan. Meowjan. I don't know how to say that.
I don't know what that even is.
The ganja for a cat.
Cat ganja, huh?
That's what I think when I read that. I don't know.
Okay. AC adapter. That goes right along with the power cord.
These are on pre-order right now. You can get them at West 3D, probably KB3D and Fabrico as well. No, Shin, I don't want to open you up. Let me see.
Need for cat. Yeah. Okay, I've never used this board before. This is a Victory Tech DZ01. Anybody use this board before? This is unfamiliar for me. Okay.
It is $389.99, so about $390, obviously, depending where you live, plus tax and all of that at West 3D. If you've never used our code yet on West 3D, you can also use code LeeMarie3D, and I believe it's like 5% off your order.
Yep.
First time, only time.
Do not forget to use code LeeMarie3D. It's got EMC there too.
Mary Joanna.
I'll have to look at this SPI.
That cat does not need no catnip.
A couple spots for LEDs.
He recently built a Delta printer and had so much fun. Heck yeah. This is our first one. I'm excited about it.
Okay. Yeah.
What board is that?
This is the, what was it called? DZ01.
BTT.
Yeah, the Victory Tech version 1.0. Yeah.
I thought it'd be nice to go over what's in the box because I have had tickets even with people asking, oh, what does it come with, or certain things, you know. Obviously we don't know. We get asked a lot of questions about printers that we don't have answers to because we don't own the printer. So it's like a hunting thing. Also, since we're not on-site staff, we can't like just go look. So it's a little more difficult. So it is nice to have the printer to see for yourself to be able to answer questions.
CR6.
What's in the box?
I can get it out. I've never used one of these hot ends either.
Are they, RJ? That excited to watch y'all. Delta movements are like magic. Mysterious. I think it'll be really nice, especially if we get this put together quickly, because I could do some really neat Christmas gifts with it. Excuse me.
We got our nozzle down in there. Triangle Lab. So that is what melts our plastic.
What kind of nozzle is that? That nozzle in your hand? That's a big nozzle.
Fun stuff. This goes all the way through here, basically up into your here, your heat break zone, like that.
Yep.
And this is just a standard brass nozzle.
It's a big nozzle.
That's what she said.
I want to know what it was.
That's what she said.
Delta movements are hypnotizing.
So we got this puppy, and this is the first. It's kind of just like a a V6. That's why it's called a TR6.
Is it loud? That's a question too. I've heard deltas are loud.
Well, I know that those ones are. What are they called again? I can't think. The
ones like what Jack has.
Yes. Spit it out. She thinks it's funny when I can't remember something.
Oh, I don't know either.
Good.
I just know that
Good.
Jack has a lot of deltas in there.
The friggin' y'all know what it is.
FL Sons.
FL Sons. Yes, there you go. The FL Sons. She knew. She just faking me out.
Yeah, those are. He has huge ones though.
That's what she said.
They're like, look as tall as me.
So yeah, it's kind of like a V6. It's got a flat back. Yeah, it looks round, but it's got flat right there. The rest of it's round. See that part? Okay. So yeah,
if you
just like a
live
CHP.
streams of the flyer printing on your channel, heck yeah, check that out.
Let's see if we can get this back in here properly.
Is your channel on YouTube or Twitch or both?
You feel free to share your channel here too. John NDA, the non-disclosure agreement is in the house. Dutch Flyer miscellaneous. We'll get to that one in a minute. Okay.
YouTube, awesome.
We got some loom basically here. I forget what you call this stuff, but it's always fun to try to get your wires on there. Keela got to play with it on the baby belt just recently. So Delta Flyer motor kit, big heavy stuff. All right, let's take a look at this.
We need a that's what she said counter.
We
What did we have? It was an emote, but it wasn't. Was it that's what she said. It's your office, not office space guy.
Yeah.
What did it say though?
It was the office. He goes, that's what she said. Like
we had an emote, I think, but I think I took it off. We probably have slots for more emotes. The more subs you have on YouTube, the more emotes you can get. But you could do a little thing on your stream deck.
Yeah, I could.
For that. As much as it gets said around here, yeah.
This is both 2504s. One of them is FL1000 and FL500. What is the difference on those? FF. Let's take a look. See.
I can't type today. Quit it.
250906. What am I? I'm trying to determine here. These look all the same to me. What am I missing? We got these two, which is, oh, I didn't, hang on a sec. Okay.
There is your channel in there if everyone wants to go follow.
The cable links. Okay, so these are all the same. That's what it's saying then, is the 500 and 1000. Okay, that makes more sense. Motors are the same. So the cable length is what's different. Thank you. See, love having you here. That's awesome. That saved me some time to try to figure it out. So basically one of them, the cable length is going to be a little bit different on these motors. I was just showing, I was like looking at here, it says we have 3 of these motors and 1 of these. They're both up to here the same. And then it says FL1000, FL500, but all these motors are the same. Just one of them has different length cable. So.
Yeah, I would say consider it said 3 of something and 1 of something. 1 is different.
Yep, that one's different. It's just the cable length. So
the daddy flyer. Oh yeah.
Sorry, what's up? What's up? So there's that. Let's see what we have here.
Oh, RJ, you got it too. Thank you. I didn't know you were getting it for me. Oh, that's Penguin Makers. Okay.
Also, while we're doing this, you can Also think, what colors would be good with this? You know, you can think that too.
I say their name, Jeremy. You've been saying it.
Who? Oh, Canrog Creations.
Canrog.
I don't know if that's right or not.
I don't want to butcher your name.
I don't know if that's how you say it or not.
He's been saying it more easier than me, so I'm like trying to listen.
Carbon fiber tube, 5mm OD, 3mm ID, 100mm long, 100mm long, and 12 pieces. So these are here you go. Light.
Yeah, very.
Good,
Penguin Maker is going live first time on the 16th at 7.
It look good to me. All right, so we have those. And we also have some a little bit longer here. These are 105. It's like 5mm longer than these tubes are. That looks like the only difference. So they still 5mm OD and 3mm ID. And there's 6 of these in here.
Steven. Whatever you use, it has to be black light or glow in the dark. What?
So there's that's the only difference on those.
To build?
These, it's nice getting these. These are little Storage 3D. Thank you for becoming a member of the channel. Appreciate that. We're getting ready to do
total of 3 sets of arms.
For all the people that are members of the channel, we are getting ready to do we're gonna do a live stream for members only, and we're gonna do that printer right there. We're gonna record a video of it during the live stream. You can make fun of us, laugh at us, poke at us, and tell us how dumb we are while we're recording a video, and you get to laugh at how you get to see the behind the scenes of us, because people will be like, "Redo it! I don't like the way my eyebrow looked." Like, redo it! Redo it!
I am Raj. Thank you for becoming a sponsor as well. Thank you all very much.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's definitely a challenge trying to juggle live streams while also trying to find time to do videos. It's almost impossible. And
that's why we stop the Tuesdays.
What we are kind of thinking is, like what he just said, is to do a members only live stream, which will not be on Saturday. It'll be a random day, but we will also be creating a video on that live stream to kind of give something to members. And it also, I like member streams. I think you've only done like 1 or 2, but I think it's nice because
you stopping by.
You'll get less people on and get to spend more time with y'all, and it's easier to keep up with chat and things like that. So it'll be nice. And then it also gives us a chance to work on videos. Kind of something we did, like we're doing currently, and you probably don't even realize that, is this unboxing live stream. We'll try to get edited to create a unboxing video as well. So we're trying to start piecing our live streams together to also make videos, because time is in the essence.
Time is essence, and time is money.
Same thing we did with the Hedamame. We recorded an intro prior to the live stream of building it, and then we got to piece it together and then try to turn that into a video too, because videos do help people find you way more. No offense, but they do way more than live streams. No, we're not doing that, Zombie. You can do that though. Delta Index?
I would watch you do that. I would watch it. Yeah.
That would, I don't know, you just made my gears turn. That would be weird.
Okay, so I do like that they're including these, and because I actually noticed that the last couple kits I've got have these. These are just little miniature, a piece of a rail where you can slide the carriage off here and slide it onto this. When you're doing mounting, or whether you want to grease it, clean it, whatever, you can get it off there without losing your bearings. I mean, I have some of these printed, but nice that they're adding these. Cool. So there's 3 of them in there from what I found. I don't know if there's more hidden in this stuff. Gotta take a look at stuff here.
Probably always good to check that before you toss things.
Yep.
Yes, absolutely.
And here are some versions.
Robot Overlord, alrighty. Thanks for stopping in. You have a good weekend.
We got 2 of these. Are these all the same length? I can't. Let's just do this.
Is that the?
Yeah, they're all the same length. These are all the same. Okay. Just making sure. No threads on the ends of these or anything. Okay.
Somebody said I would watch someone else do that.
Me too. I want to watch you do it. I think you should. Let's do it together, zombie.
Retractable arms and robotic arm insert extruder. Let's go.
And then we have some, you know,
Reverend said Index is becoming a meme unto itself these days.
What is?
I know, when's it coming out? Didn't they make a post?
They did make a post, and I can't remember what the date said, but I actually reposted it too.
Didn't you say it said keep your eyes out for like the end of the month? There was a time.
Yeah.
Time stamp.
Let's open one of these up. Rails are the same, extrusions are the same. Okay. I kind of don't want to take that all the way off to keep it kind of safe. LDO rails are nice. I haven't really had any issues with them. I do always clean these and grease them myself before installing them on a machine. But the preload's been good with them from anytime I've used them on the 2.4s and such. So these are SLR9C 300D1.
They'll probably announce it near the final version as a part form next.
What's that?
Talking about the Index.
Yeah, if you go to our Twitter channel, if you aren't following on socials, we have a link in the video here.
That would be cool. That sounds cool.
You can click on that link that says socials or Linktree or whatever. Got all of our socials in there. Go follow us. Like, share, and also don't forget to like this stream.
The claw machine that Liz is it claw or vending machine? Yeah, I think it's actually a vending machine that Liz is printing right now is pretty cool. I want one.
We need to do that.
I think it would be really fun to do that and then put like little trinkets in it, which is what they're doing. But like I could use it at home for like Christmas candy was what I was thinking. Or those would be really cool. If y'all haven't seen it, kind of need to watch Liz. But
Zombie Hedgehog member for 15 months. Thank you.
Thank you, Zombie. But yeah, she's making one of those right now. I don't know who designed it, but I'm gonna have to find out. I thought it would also be really cool for teachers if all teachers had one in their room, like in their classroom, and they could put little toys in there and use it like as a reward system. That would be really cool. You finished it. Star Wars 3 has it now and showed it today. Awesome. Yeah, that was so cool. I like it.
Creators supporting creators funds.
That was a lot of filament, though, wasn't it?
Next up, we got the build plate. Let's take a look at the build plate. So this actually tells you how big the print will be, sort of, here. And look at that, man. What do you think about a circle build plate? Our first circle build plate.
That's fancy.
Fancy,
it's different. Dark Rock. Let's say Dark Rock 150.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
I like that. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, that's different.
Our first circle!
It's so weird. But so cool.
Yeah. There we go. This will be a fun.
I wonder if Western D is going to start carrying build plates for these now.
Huh? I like this.
We don't have any circles.
This plate is nice. These are my textures, my favorite. Liz, become a member. Thank you, Liz.
Thank you for the super
stickers. Love you. Love you all. Thank you all for becoming members. It helps us more than pretty much anything else on this channel. But yeah, this right here.
What's the max square you can print with this? That's a good question.
Because the bed's 150 millimeters because part of the frame. The actual print area is only 115 though. Yeah. Okay. That makes sense.
Or what y'all just
Yeah, so I like textured more than anything, and I especially like texture on both sides. And the black is my favorite, so this is cool.
Perfect plate.
It just seems easy. It doesn't tear up as easy. Radkey, thank you for becoming a member.
Thank you, Radkey.
Clown Hammer as well.
It is a member day. Thank you all.
Yes, it is. Bum, ba, bum. Found Hammer, are you done yet? No, we're not done yet. Hype train!
I know, Liz.
Get him, Liz! Hype train!
So today, like he said, it's mainly an unboxing. I think you said you're gonna like look at the manual,
Yeah,
look
we're
at
just saying
the
look at
CAD,
everything,
kind
seeing
of
how
look,
it gets built.
get our bearings straight.
Mhm.
No pun intended. Yeah, and because tomorrow we have a stream as well at 12 o'clock, or almost a Pacific, 12 o'clock Eastern, 9 o'clock Pacific, on Killa Print stream too, for the giveaway for the 3D printing elves. There's a lot to give away there. Jeremy and I did, well, mostly Jeremy, but we finished that baby belt sitting over there, so we just didn't get to do it on stream.
When I was putting that thing together too, I was like,
Finish
oh
it on
crap, where's the
stream.
Raspberry Pi? I'm like,
He did. Those are a few things you were hunting down. You're like, where's the pie? And then there's something else. You're like, where's this at? And then you're like, oh, it doesn't take one of those. Oh,
power supply, yeah. I was like, oh, it's external. What the heck, dude?
The baby belt's interesting.
I was doing a super fast build, like, you know, I was a few hours and we finished it up, or I finished it up, whatever. So
thank you, Oz.
Yeah. That's a good question.
Cube size
I think it's mains.
75, 75 by 110.
I think it's mains. I'll have to check that though. That's a good question. Fuse there. It's already installed for you. Let me go back to the top view. Fuse already installed, so if it gets too hot, DC powered. Okay, yeah. So it's DC powered bed. Yeah, the fuse is for 135C, so that's a little bit warmer than some of the ones, I guess. I think some of them like 125, but 135 is good. If it gets past that, pop goes the weasel and it won't work. So keeps you from having a extra backup explodey thingy. But yeah, there's our bed.
Will it come with the Jeremy Rush Job guaranteed?
Yeah, absolutely.
Are you talking about the baby belt?
Everything comes with a
I did tell Jeremy though, I said, okay, I am done adding anything to your plate.
You did that. That's your fault.
I did the baby belt was my fault.
Yeah, you hear that? Hang on. Let's talk about that for a second.
Honestly, additive Adams parts, like all the thing, like printing the parts for that. A lot of things were my fault that I'm like, oh, let's do that. Okay, Jeremy, do this. And then he takes forever. So I'm done throwing things at his plate until we can get some of the things that are not completed, finished.
Still waiting for the Milo. I don't know what we're going to do with the Milo. Now, let me just say.
Oh my gosh, the Milo's sitting over there.
Y'all know how she is, right? She's like, stop adding stuff to do and this and that. And then here she goes. She's like, hey, Jeremy, build a baby belt. Hey, Jeremy, print the blaster parts. I
could have done the blaster parts. I don't know why I didn't. I just gave it. I added it to his task sheet.
It was the baby belt's for a good call.
It took too long.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
3D printer, thank you.
I know that stuff kind of gets her more than anything. Is stuff that's for good calls. It kind of sucked her in, like, oh, it you know, it helps the kids and get Christmas presents.
I just like to help.
Yeah, we all like to help. So you'll take the Milo off my hands.
I need to learn how to build a little bit better myself, so I can take just. I said from now on, I'm not going to take on anything unless I know I can do it, because he's. Oh.
Need to make a decision on the Milo, actually. So there's the build plate, okay?
We've had that Milo for 2 years and it's still in the box.
Yeah.
So I don't think it's gonna probably.
Me and Josh talked about it a little bit. I don't know if I want to end up doing anything with it or not, but we'll see. If I do, you will hear about it first, right here on this channel. So here we have. Oops, I hit the wrong button. Here we have some panels. Let's just do a quick look-see-pooksy.
Never want to rush making a baby belt. Or never making a baby. I caught that a little late. You get it?
Yes, I get it.
Yeah.
I get it. Y'all are funny.
Jeremy has shiny syndrome like the rest of us, probably.
Yeah, we all have.
Bonus member only giveaway. There you go. We'll do that on like one of the member streams.
What?
Y'all know me. I'd be like, Okay, we're gonna give this one and this one. I'll walk through here and give so much away, but Jeremy will feel.
Yes, Jeremy would. All my toys.
Hi, Timur.
You like me going and giving away all your toys?
I don't have toys.
Anyway.
I'm neglected. All my toys go to you. All my money goes to you.
Here's our panels.
Oh, I want. Wait, Polar's meetup or your meetup, Tech Jeeper?
So we have white.
The thing that you're doing. What day is that? Because yeah, I did want to go to that. If that's what I'm thinking of.
Very cool. These are
actually. You were doing a meetup though, I thought.
These are actually labeled really well.
I'll bring it to you then. It'll actually get built.
This panel is, you know, it shows right here what it is. It's labeled really well. It says panel for Delta Flyer, front door, PC clear. Shows you the size. Panel for Delta Flyer, side panel left, PC clear size. And this one is side panel right. And that's your size. So, cool. Got to peel off the stuff there.
Don't take off the white protective layer.
Oh, I'm not.
Looks way better with it on.
Leave it on? You know what? It might look kind of cool with it on, actually. The sides, maybe. I don't know.
Polar's on the 6th of December.
Why did you just wrapped all my stuff away too? Okay.
I'm thinking, why do I feel like something was on the December 6th? But probably just that.
Next up, we got Delta Flyer kit, fasteners, and extruder.
I had to put that on my calendar.
Let's see what we have here.
But is that when you were doing a meetup too, Tech Jeeper? Like before or after it? I'm trying not to get those confused.
Zip ties. Lots of screws here. We're gonna kind of take. I'm not gonna go through every single screw, but I will take a quick look here and see kind of what we got. And this here we've got.
Oh, that's this Monday.
We've got some threaded rods here, 3mm, 6 of those. Shafts, screws, hammerhead nuts, screws. We got some set screws with thread locker pre-applied.
Okay, Tech Jeeper. You got ass told.
And 5 hammerheads.
So Polar is on the 6th. Where is Polar's in Michigan too, but I'm not sure exactly where. I don't think that's too far.
Thumb screws. I'm guessing these are for the bed. I don't know for sure, but that's what I'm gonna guess. And then there we go. Then we have another set here. I want to put these back in this bag for now. Let's put it, just throw it in the bag.
My Wi-Fi sucks lately.
6, 7, throw it in the bag. Yeah, that's what I figured. Spacer for the bed. We got some more screws here. Why are these separate from this bag? Just not enough room in that one, I'm assuming. Because this one doesn't say anything on the bag. And this one says, so I don't know what that says. 2x30.
That is.
We got some more hammerheads. Is this the extruder part maybe or something? No. Keela, you have announced the charity stream. Have you announced the charity stream for Reth? Repo Man said. Spare bag was added later after the kits. Oh, this is the spare bag then. Okay.
Oh, you
stupid phone. This one is the spare bag. It just didn't say, so it kind of threw me off. So these are spare stuff that of these parts here. Like you got the one through there. Looks like an extra thumb screw. More heat inserts, 10 of them. So yeah, spare stuff.
It is in
that makes sense.
Troy, Michigan, which is 3 hours and 45 minutes away from us.
You told me about the spare bag. I just didn't realize this was the one.
No.
So, and we have wheel drive extruder here. I haven't used a lot of these, but all the parts and stuff here. We just put one of these puppies on the baby belt actually. So it should be unscrewed, isn't it? Why isn't it coming off?
What did he do? He needs a beat with a newspaper.
Who?
You. Like Jeeper said. There's a micro center 3 miles away.
Well, yours are already in there.
Yeah, I looked it up. It's 3 hours and 45 minutes from us.
Spring and
I'll have to talk to him later because he can't comprehend right now. Hi, Cass. Huh?
What am I doing?
The Polar Meetup, Filament, Troy, Michigan, December 6th.
Okay.
Where's you going? It's 3 hours and 45 minutes from here. That's what I was talking about.
I don't know.
Have to look into it. RJ, I haven't shared the link, but yes, I've mentioned it. You want to share the link, but right now, I don't think you can still. I don't remember. I feel like you can't get raffle tickets anymore. I feel like they closed it, but I might be wrong. The stream is actually on Killa Print stream tomorrow, though.
Last box there is right here.
You want to share Killa's stream for channel for me? Because that's where it's actually going to be. It ends at 9 a.m. in the morning. That's when what, Eastern time or Pacific time? No, he said the raffle ends at 9 a.m.
Starts.
He said
the raffle. You can't buy anymore at 9 a.m.
What? But Eastern or Pacific? That's got to be Pacific.
Mm-hmm. 9 a.m. It's when the stream starts. When the stream starts, the raffle ends.
Raffles open till midnight.
Oh, there you go.
That's what I was thinking. Not 9. Thank you, Killa. Yeah, I was thinking. RJ said raffle ends at 9 a.m. and I was like, I don't think so. Yeah, what Killa said.
Do you have to be on the stream for that?
They're ending it early.
I think. Killa?
The entries, they're ending early. So if you don't get them by midnight tonight, you're out of luck.
Do you have an answer for that, KP? Do you have to be on there to win that one? The raffle, so...
But yes, it's 9 Pacific, noon Eastern time on Killa stream tomorrow.
Aren't all times specific? Very specific. Yes, they are. No, you can win if not present. There you go. Don't think so. Okay. Last box we have here, and then we'll take a look at some other stuff. It says miscellaneous. So in this box...
Did you see that on their thing somewhere? That it says the raffle ends at 9:15?
Oh, sensors.
I don't know how that's possible because we'll already be giving things away by that time.
Is it listed
Maybe
on
they
like
need to change that. Yeah, because by that time we'll already be giving things away. And I know they were going to stop taking them a little bit before the stream. I don't know. Not my forte. I'm just there. I didn't organize. It's fun doing organizing.
Okay, well, if it says it on the raffle site, that's what it is. Unless
I feel like it's not, though, but I don't know. You can always message Reth.
Message Reth and ask him about it. It's the best thing.
And no, you can't win if you're not present. I don't. Killa said, I don't think so. What?
Oh, really?
Yeah. John said, no, you can't win if you're not present.
No, you can win if not present.
No, you can't.
Killa said, don't think so. Don't think you have to be there.
Oh, I read that backwards. Sorry.
Guy, 2 brothers are judges for the terms. Who reads those? No one reads the terms, do they?
Not normally.
So we got 3 sensors here. We've got a NeoPixel cable.
Giveaway streams are fun. There's actually so much
SD
to
card,
them.
32 gigabytes. 3 fans by LDO Motors.
Since I didn't organize this one, it's been hard for me to keep up with.
Looks like this is our plug-in for the power and bed extension cable and in-stop cable times 3. Cable for the in-stops. Some belts. DGT 6 millimeters. 4 meters of belts.
Me either.
Jet
Josh.
joint. These are our joint.
Plus, I just don't like to read.
Idlers.
What's up? Force.
Pulleys. 5 millimeter.
As long as they don't dox you, you're good.
Rubber band, man. Wow.
The
Taliban.
thing that
9 in my
confuses
right,
me on that.
45 in the other hand. Anybody know that song? Rubber bands?
The thing that confuses me on it though is if the stream starts at 9, but you're gonna take entries up to 9:15, that means the first 15 minutes you can't even do any giveaways. And then you're gonna have to redo your wheel or however they're doing throwing people into the raffle. So that's confusing to me right now. But okay.
This is gonna be the bed thermistor. Sure, it screws onto the bed there somewhere. Let's take a look at that. See, but
then let's buy it. Or your mom and son
probably right here.
Uh-oh.
I'm guessing it goes there. Don't know for sure. That's a guess.
What hot end comes with this, Jeremy? Cartoon Anarchy.
I showed that earlier. The hot end. I showed that. The TR6. Oh, hang on, I already
answered.
Showed, yeah.
Sorry, I'm behind then.
This is the bed. And then you've got 2 Teflon tubes here. This is kind of standard. You'll see this one is got a larger OD, or ID, I'm sorry.
Poop.
And this one is a little tighter. This is the one that's going to go for your hot end, to go between the hot end and the extruder. So to keep any heat from getting up there and to help guide your filament down in there. So that's everything. No one knows my song, huh? Rubber Band Man, Fire of the Taliban, 9 in my right, 45 in the other hand. Call me Trouble Man. Got a couple 100 fans, something. I don't know the rest of this song, man. No one's gonna follow up with me, huh? I see how you are. I see. Make me out to be dumb. I see how it is.
Cool, Cartoon Anarchy.
Hey, Ruxpin, thank you. T.I., that's right, it's T.I. T.I. A little bit of tip. T.I.P. All right. Let's see if we can figure out how this thing goes back in here somewhat. And then we're going to take a look, if we can, at the... Oh, this might be able to fit all back in here.
That could be 2 layer by layer, yeah.
Look, I think my setup looks better. What do y'all think? There we are. This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. This is how we do it. Ooh, that's a little bit.
John started a program to give away coloring books to local children's hospitals, specifically targeting children diagnosed with cancer. That's why you started the fidgets from your book. Kids need all the love they can get. Yeah. And I saw the gnome one. I want to do that one.
There we are.
I haven't really printed anything honestly lately, except for those pumpkins and my Chucky. All these printers, one of them is moving. He's finally making these move. Mainly, it's just brain time.
Yeah, I got a few things to print back there.
It's definitely took longer than 5 minutes.
I wonder how well mag arms would work. Bit too. This is taking longer than 5 minutes. I want my money back. Well,
Kelly, are you going to Remurf? And are you going to have a table this year?
Red light. I called you the other day and you did not call me back.
You do that to people too.
That's a real knee slapper. Oh, dang.
Well, maybe don't stand
throwing your foot
so
in the way.
Close to me.
Throwing that foot out there, trying to trip me. Trying to make me fall.
Uh-oh, climbers. I asked if they were done yet and got shot down.
What?
You.
What? Done what? Me? What are you blaming on me?
I'll read that again. I asked if they were done yet, Bearded, but I got shot down.
Oh.
I don't know what you're not comprehending there, sir.
I don't comprehend everything.
I know. Trust me.
And you don't either, so back off, Buster Brown. Over. Hey, don't throw donuts at me. Oh, that's right, I got a donut. Huge.
Give me.
That's my donut. I like
to throw it
squeezing
again later.
She's throwing things. She's a donut thrower.
Plan is to go. Not sure if you have a table. Red light said sorry. I'll get on it.
I was just messing with you, but yeah.
I don't think so, AJ.
Wednesday, maybe?
I think they had limited, like a total limited amount of tickets, but not like limited how many someone can buy. I don't.
No, you can get as many as you want. I just give you a higher chance to win.
What day did you call, sir?
I don't know.
You don't remember?
Nah, I don't know.
Kicking in. Yeah, there's a spot to donate. Also, yes.
Hang rod.
Which Jeremy and I haven't donated anything yet, but that's what Jeremy and I are going to do because we're not allowed to get into the raffle. No one that was like participating with helping was allowed to enter. So Jeremy and I will get on there and donate that way instead.
Yeah, it's a non-profit, so you can do tax deduction for them. I think you get an email for receipt for that. So documentation. You guys want to look at that? I don't know. This doesn't look like a standard LDO. I don't know. Is LDO making any sort of guide, or is it just going to be the guide that's listed here? And I'll show that. I was looking at it a few moments ago. Here. Now, there's a GitHub. And
no, RJ, no. You're fine.
The link right here takes you to the site. Here's where to buy, about the project. It's the Delta Flyer, the marvel of modern engineering that would make even Starfleet engineers jealous. Very cool looking printer. Ready to build it, head over to the printables page for STL files. Come back here for the assembly instructions. So I downloaded everything. Oh, you can decide. I did not see this. Rollahan's Color CAD. Cool. Let's take a look at that. Okay, so that's, you got to purchase it for $5. In order to download, so you just purchase above the price of $5. You want to do that?
What's it for? Color CAD?
It lets you color it how you want it, I guess.
You can see it. Like you could see the colors how you want it.
Yeah.
That's neat.
I mean, it's gonna go towards the good people out there. So, let me take this off the screen for a moment.
I don't think I've ever seen a printer have that though.
It's worth giving them $5.
I'm trying to think, maybe did the Death Racer have that? But yeah, I don't think I've ever seen a printer like that. Kind of cool. Yeah. I'm sure you don't have that up when you do.
That's why I took it off.
Yeah.
So that's why I took it off.
AJ, yeah, he said, do they do these donations through the year? So yeah, they do it all year long. From what I've found out from them, they have multiple organizations. So there's schools, there are I think some hospitals, different organizations. It is all local to them, but yeah, it's all year long, not just for Christmas. So, and I know that he is also very particular on the quality of the toys that they print. They are not just, randos. Like they're good quality. We'll just say that. And yeah, he does that. And I can't remember how many toys they say they've done in like 1 year, but it was a lot. It was a lot.
Had to separate for it. Are you done with the build yet? Yeah, we just about got it finished up. It should be pushing plastic.
I think it
here
is
in about 20
posted
minutes.
somewhere how many too.
So this is a program. Yeah, so the documentation, it does say on there that it's temporary. I did see that. So this is actually an EXE called Color CAD.
If you go on there and put your email, like I'm pretty sure you always get a receipt in your email when you donate. I mean, I haven't done it yet either, so I'm not positive. But most of the time, like when I've donated other things, you always get an email receipt.
Let's install it. Oh, my computer's gonna go boom! I just installed the virus. All right, so we donated the $5 there, and we'll take a look at this and see how this works. Because before I do that though, I just want to finish what I was saying over here on this.
It was that easy. It's already finished.
That's right. So we'll get to this right here in a minute. It's $5 for that, and I'm going to show you how that works in a minute. It's actually a program, a download exe file. You donate the $5 and you get access to it. So the build manual is temporary while they are working on a better build manual, but this is what they got for now. There's a clipper tutorial, wiring diagram, some other stuff here. There's the main board manual for the board I just showed you. Clipper configuration files here. Worker slicer profile. So they got a good amount of docs here. Build plate model, build plate texture. So this right here will show, you can put it into your Orca to actually put everything, to make it look right when you're slicing the files. It'll look exactly like your printer. And this is the packing list. So got some pictures here, and you can jump over to printables, download the files there. All the files are right there. You don't have to pay anything for them or any of that. Yeah, so then your build manual is here, and we've got a bunch of pages here, and we'll look through this in a moment, kind of like do a quick run through. And I did see something up here at the very top that was misspelled or something, but I know you said you was working on right here in this document. I'm going to walk you through, and then rough. You got a T on there, so you just need to take the T off there. Anyways,
I told that right now.
You told me to. I saw it.
Maybe not in front of it.
No, I saw it on there, and I was like, well, hey. It says right here, if it's been written from memory, let me know if you missed something.
It's kind of funny. It's like there's so many errors on Westerdy's website too.
I'm sure there's multiple.
People send us things all the time. Hey, you need to fix this.
Anyways, there's all kinds of stuff probably in there as they're working through the guide and adding. That's probably the least of your worries.
Yeah.
Anywho's, so let's look at this thing because this is pretty neat. And I'm kind of excited to take a look at this. So we're going to look at it in right here. Window capture. Capture the window. What's it called again? Is it not open? Is it open? Are you here? Everybody. I do not see it. It's not letting me. Try again. Oh, there it is. Okay. That's what I wanted to see. All right. And that's a manual. So this is what we're looking at. So add step file. So I'm going to add the file in here. Fire. We're going to have the CAD in. There's a step. Yes, Background Creations. Thank you for all the help you do. That's right. Thank you. Okay. Well, here it is. I don't know how to move around. Okay, so back and forth. I don't know how to. I don't know if I can move it left and right or whatever. So rotate X. All right, so you can rotate it around here. rotate Y there, rotate Z there. And then with your middle mouse button scroller, you can zoom in and out, and then you can spin this thing around all however you want. So, colors, how do we do this? So do we just select something here and pick a color? Yeah, that's pretty much what you do. Keela, this is you. You're a color girl.
Hmm?
And why is my... Hang on. You guys can't even see us. This is not where this is supposed to be. There you go.
What?
Go over here and play with it. See if you can... Go for it.
I'm thinking of something.
So you can click any part right there. You can see where it says color over the right.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can click that and select a color.
This isn't how I do things. I look at my filament to see what I have, and then I figure.
Oh.
So, this is.
Well, we don't have to do it right now.
This is a little bit.
I just wanted to show how it works and stuff.
What are the new colors of Western? I don't have any new colors right now. I'm trying to think of what we did get. It was like all silks.
What is color CAD?
Red.
It looks like it's a program, Rice, that they've created.
Where'd it go?
You gotta click on it again. It's for $5.
Whatever.
It looks like you can add a step file to it, so I don't see why it wouldn't work with other printers. I don't know for sure, but it should. I mean, it's got, yeah, see, it said yes. So go donate $5 and get a hold of it. I would say use code LeeMarie3D, but it doesn't work that way. This is for them. So, yeah.
I mean, this I could be here for a minute.
Yeah, just play. You can play with it.
Does it save the color?
Yeah, that's a good question.
Because, like, what if I want to make this piece and this piece
you have to remember the numbers,
blue?
6999 114. Hit this drop down right here. Oh, that just shows. Hit that again. You can copy that. X.
I have to come back over here.
Yeah, so if you copy the hex there, Control C.
It won't let me right click.
Yeah, you're
now
right.
let's
now go to your other thing.
Let's
and then go to hex. So it is a little bit. Control V.
I might have hit the wrong. I don't know your keyboard.
You hit Control C again. So
I probably did.
It.
Anyway,
she copied a blank.
Just copy this right here.
Yeah, was that the same thing?
Be easier than clicking around. Kimberly, paste. No, it won't let you paste.
It won't let you paste. Oh, okay. There is a save button.
It wasn't me.
Hit set. Well, I think that saves the whole thing. Try it. Hit the save button. See what happens.
Where do you see? Oh, down here.
Yeah, I think it just saves the whole thing. Though. Yeah, that's just saving your project. We're talking about the colors. So
yeah, like if you click this, you see how there's your hex.
Yeah, it's definitely
interesting.
But
then I want to click this piece down here, and I want to make it that same color. It's gone.
You would have to remember by memory that that's what it is and type it in. It looks like.
Yeah.
I don't see a saved. If you go back to the main menu and select the included flyer model, it comes with ready to color groups. Oh, I did click the flyer model. Go back to the library. Top left.
Library?
Top left.
All I see is scene
That's
settings.
top right. There you go. So I selected Delta Flyer Refit. Is that not the right one? Oh, you can make color groups. Okay. So click how to use. Upload this step file. Click on the file in the library to view. Double click the color editing. Click a part to select it changes color. Use the color picker or click color palette colors to apply. Right click parts to add their color to the palette. Click the small edit button on the palette to change. Mark as global to share them across all files. Okay. Change auto saved. All right. So yeah, click one. Isn't that renames it? Isn't this the one that you were talking about? Oh, using the one that's why. So the bot, that's the one.
What?
Yeah, no, that you got it right. I think that's this one right here. I imported one in. I didn't realize they had their own. And
Messing with me, Jeremy.
this one's already colored.
Messing with me. So like, if you were to do this, let's say, just change it to purple. Random.
Okay, yeah, change it.
See, was there?
Now click on it again. Click
This.
yeah. Now right click over there somewhere. Right click. Sure, I don't care where.
Right clicking. Right
click on
clicking.
the color.
Right clicking. Right clicking. I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, it said to do that.
What are you trying to get me to do? Copy this again?
I don't know.
I don't know what you're asking for.
I don't know what I'm asking for either. Yeah, this is the right one, the one with capital Z.
No, what would be cool though, see where it's all the gray is? Like, instead of, which
it should be.
For me, piece by piece is actually kind of cool. Because sometimes when I pick colors on printers, I just look at it and I'm like, I want this to be this, this to be this, and there's no rhyme or reason.
You right click the part, click add to palette.
Oh, color up there.
Now you have a color palette. So when you go through and select this next, you would just see.
Oh, okay,
So,
that makes sense.
There you go.
But yeah, I was gonna say, if you say like everywhere that it was gray, if there was a way to just change that gray color, everything on there automatically changes.
I thought you said there's color groups too, right? Or no?
Or like where the green, you change the green and everything that was green changes like that. But
I'll put
it's
the link
nifty.
in here.
It's nifty.
Yeah, I'll put the link real quick. 1 second. Where did it go? Color card.
Bryce, where do you find this program? Anyone got a link?
I'm getting it. I'm working on it. Here you go.
So you could input any printer in there?
Yes, yes, you can. Here,
oh yeah,
something else?
That's cool.
Let's try it. Let's go back to library. It's anything that's got a, not just a printer. You can anything that's got a step file, which that'll be very helpful for you.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Like doing the color stuff. So let's see the baby belt, for example. Let's do the CAD for the baby belt. Here's the step file. So it's gonna convert her over.
Like Orca for printers.
Yeah, it's really neat. Very neat. Very handy. Okay, so now when you import it, it shows up at the top left here.
Mm-hmm.
This is the one we already imported. I'm going to delete it because there was already one there. So then you can rename it right here. Like this. Oh, oops. I meant to.
Bryce, I'm tired. I'm always tired. So don't feel bad.
When I do that, it does.
That if you change the palette to color, it changes changes everything that color.
I won't let me type anything there. That's
just leave it be anyway. It says BB Pro. It's pretty easy to know what that is.
Yeah, I was just trying to. Anyway, so here it is.
Pomsy.
So here it is. So we can click our cup, stuff here, and change it to whatever colors we want.
That is really cool. Where was that when we built all the Vorons?
Right click on it and hit.
I just had to use my imagination. That is really neat.
I'd color the palette, so now we got the red and the. So go boom, boom.
You could be here all day doing that right now.
I'm just playing at this point.
Wait.
There's my baby belt. What do y'all think? Boom! Drop the mic. I just made an awesome looking printer.
It's really cool.
Okay, OBJ files are preferred. Yeah, so there it is. So I'll drop the link in the description there. Really cool. Is there anything that you think that you want me to specifically go over or share? If you have something specifically you want me to do. This wasn't going to be a long stream today. I knew it was going to just unbox it, kind of show it. I'm actually recording this too. I'm going to upload a video and do a voiceover of the unboxing stuff. So yeah, if there's anything particularly that you want me to share, let me know.
Sitting in the truck while your wife shops. Why don't you go in with her? You gonna make you carry everything? Jeremy don't like to go in with me either.
Heck no.
Because I'm chaos.
Wild
No, I
animal.
get very anxious, so I zoom.
She's a wild, wild.
Zoom
animal.
in and get the heck up out of there. And then if there's too many people and I feel crowded, then I just stand there frozen until they get away from me.
She literally does. Like when we're at the grocery store, if there's like someone that's like 7 steps down right there, like 15 foot away, she'll just be like, okay, they're gone.
Do that like a freaking penguin.
You do like a penguin. You
No,
actually,
I don't
she
spin
does.
in weird circles.
Yeah, you do. It was a penguin's a very good way to put it because you are a penguin. That's a penguin when that happens.
What?
She's a penguin.
No. But if somebody like is right here and I need something right beside them, I just stand there like this. And I wait till they move.
Yeah.
Or if an aisle's really
Fact.
crowded, I will avoid that aisle until it weeds out. Can't catch the stream in the store. No signal.
RJ
Looks like
Reaper
our
Man.
Walmart, you
Get
can't hardly
up.
get either.
If you guys are watching, everyone out there, make sure you please hit the like button for us. It helps us out. We say that. You probably get sick of hearing that on every YouTuber out there in the whole world. Please hit the like button.
Make sure people can get to the printable site. You got
Thank
a
you
printable,
all.
got
Thank
a
you all for
printable
being
site.
here. Yes,
Printable site?
the printable site. I can drop the link in for that too.
I like my
so-
printables.
Here's our the color CAD we just downloaded that. So now we own it. We own it. So the printables. Here's the printable side. I can drop it
Very cool.
in here.
Get it.
There we go. I just dropped the link in there. Also, everyone, while you're hitting the like button and subscribing if you're new to the channel, fill out the link that's pinned up there for a chance to win some filament. And we're going to be doing the giveaway a little bit earlier today because we are going to be getting off a little bit earlier today. We got a teenager here that's got to go to work and other stuff to do that we're busy with. So avoid the aisle. Avoid the aisle. Proper etiquette is just to tell, move, bitch, get out the way.
I would never. Jeremy will. Somebody's standing there and I need something and he's in there with me. And he'll be like, what are you doing? And I'll be like,
Yeah, I will.
I'm waiting for them to move. He'll be like, what do you need? And he'll just be like,
I will. No, it's not like
you're
that.
rude.
It's not rude at all. It's not rude. Someone will be like right here,
He
okay?
is rude.
Someone will be right here. Let's say Keela is the where the customer is standing and looking right here. Keela will need something right here, okay? So I'll be like, what do you need? Yeah, all right, I'll just jump in. Excuse me, ma'am. I know I'm not near you really, but I am within a couple feet, so I'm just gonna grab this, walk on off, put it in my wife's
He
car.
gets a little bit closer than that to people. You're a little rubby-dubby.
I'm not rubby-dubby.
I will not.
That's crazy. That's crazy. I'm polite. So here's the printables. All your files are going to be right here. Click download. All your model files here. Once you get these, you're going to have the CAD tools. Even got your DXF for your side panels and tops, obviously, and stuff.
Partially,
Got
I
all that
think
stuff.
I'm also like that because I hate when people do that to me.
You got a frame.
If I am looking at something, because I know I'm an annoying person to shop with, that I overthink. And if there's sometimes I wish there was only one of everything. No matter what it was, there was only one. I don't like options. There's too many dang options on everything in the
Mike
world.
Care, how you doing
And
today?
it's too hard to make a decision when there's that many options. So I want to read things and all this stuff, right? So if I'm in an aisle and I'm looking at something, but I'm not really sure that's what I want, so then I pick up the next thing that looks exactly like it, but it's different for some reason. And I'm looking, I'm trying to decipher my brain here. And then somebody is coming up to me, bumping into me or wanting in that section, or I can tell, even if they're just standing behind me, breathing on me, like I know they want right where I'm at. And it's like, so then I just move and say, there you go, get what you want. And then I'll go back to that same spot just because I get that anxious.
You're going to bet that Jeremy will crop dust while in the store.
He probably will.
I would never do such a thing. It doesn't sound like me at all.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, check the printables out, and definitely check out the, you know,
Bryce
GitHub
just
and
says, excuse me, and
the
waits your
main
turn.
page.
Hi, Mike.
Because all that information is there. Actually, let me go back to that.
Kayla, that's the exact reason I do the groceries. My wife gets decision paralysis. That ain't me. I wish Jeremy would do the grocery shopping like you. I hope your wife appreciates that, because I can only imagine how much like weight that it takes off her. But that's typically why I do grocery pickup orders instead, because if I'm doing it online, then I search for something, and normally if I search for a specific something, that's the only thing that's going to pop up, or I try to just go to that item. And it's a lot easier for me versus seeing it all, you know. Also, you type in, let's just say, beans, because Jeremy's have been feeding him a lot of beans.
Full of beans.
Then you don't want to get on the scroll loop of beans. Be more specific, so you don't have to have that decision paralysis. Oh gosh.
I look at menus days ahead of time. Going to a restaurant, I shop.
How do I, Liz? Yeah.
He does.
I do. I look at a lot like menus at restaurants if I've never been there, because I know when I get there I'll be anxious about like not knowing what's on the menu, and everybody's going to be done ordering, ready, and I'm going to be like, I'm still not ready because I can't make my mind up. Yeah.
This is actually pretty cool. Over here on the site, it's got the, you know, the temporary beard build manual.
Dang, heck yeah.
Wiring diagram. I can't talk today. But this shows all your hookups and, you know, where everything's at. This one over here kind of shows the sort of the same deal, but it goes through step by step the process. So flashing the SD card, Hanger IP scanner, it's got the links for that, CD1 image, Orca slicer, config bundle, how to do it all. So pretty neat. Very good that they have that there for people. So this guy out.
It's like, I like how when we go to events and Liz already has like plans, like, hey, we're all going to go here or there. That's nice, because I can plan and I can look up a menu and find the directions to where it's at and map it all out. Like, yeah. But when you're with Western E and they're like, we're going to go here. Okay. Then you go there and they're like, oh, they're full. No, we're going to go here. Oh, and then you got all the group. I don't want to go there. Oh, but I do. But and I'm just like, I just want to go home because y'all are driving me crazy because I can't. It's too much for me.
Delta Flyers bundled in the newest version of Orca Slicer.
Planning and organizing. Yes.
Planning does help with anxiety with her big time.
100%.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it definitely helps with anxiety. I agree to that fact. That and when things don't go how she planned is when shit hits the fan. You ever took a turd and threw it at a fan and watch it scatter?
Not that bad.
It's worse.
Whatever. You ever had to really do that and clean it up?
What?
I bet it ain't
on the
worse.
fan?
Yeah, I bet.
Depends on how fast the fan be going. Like super fast.
Like that lady that did the ketchup experiment. She I found this video of this lady. She had ketchup. The bottle was a little bit, empty, and she poured baking soda in it. And she said someone in her chat told her to do it. I would think this was rigged, but I don't know. Not rigged, staged. But anyway, shook this sucker. I don't know if she did shake it up. I think she shook it up, and it shot the top of the lid off, and it went everywhere. I've never seen that experiment done before. And then her husband comes out and he's like, oh, it's so bad. It was on the ceiling, on the fridge. It went all in her face. It was everywhere. So, and ketchup will stain. So, is it worse than that?
Definitely worse.
Oh, heck no.
So, I'm going to drop these two links in here.
Bryce, did he say? I haven't got back in there since I asked that question. I know all the West Reedy helpers are getting antsy. So I was trying to figure out that before I say anything.
Support the project. Right here, I just dropped both these links in here, Rollahan and Canrod.
Chili flying.
Both of them. If you can support the
That's a
project,
hot mess.
jump over here and drop a tip, drop a, join a membership, whatever you can do. I don't know where the $5 goes for the program we just downloaded, but I mean that I'm sure helps too. But yeah, if you can help, do that.
Is that what you just shared for him on the Rollahan? Okay. Figured that's what you were saying.
Yeah. So we're gonna build this. Don't have any idea of the colors. Do you guys have any? What do you think would be good colors? Of what we got? We're gonna do Ambrosia stuff. It doesn't have to be. We can do some Ambrosia, some Polymakers, Numakers, whatever you want to do.
It always depends too. This is not an enclosed printer, is wait, yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is. But some of the stuff can be what can be PLA on it. I guess
I do play around with things like that.
So if we want to add it, we wanted to add some
art in the heat.
PLA. What would we add?
Well, we could use these. I haven't used these in a hot minute. I need to use them up.
And color CAD goes real on.
There you go.
Anything from this.
This is easy peasy.
Everyone,
easy peasy.
You can donate right there with both the links I just put in there.
There you go.
Help them out. So please do that. Wait, you want to do that?
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I've been needing a project for these.
That's the color we're doing? Oh boy.
These are all the ASA Polymaker pop colors.
How much filament we need for this thing?
Will 3 spools cut it?
Probably not. No, I don't think so. You know what colors I use?
What would you use, Kittrell?
Cybertech, you should go a dark color scheme this time. Dark with her around?
Boring.
That's
actually, I do have a green that I've been wanting to use. Hang on, let me go get it.
So 2 kg. That's
it's
not
Paramount green.
Too bad.
Hang on.
As much as what I thought it would be, actually.
But I do find dark colors a little bland.
I have filament for you right here. Watch this.
Boring.
Look at this. See this box?
Okay, hang on.
It says Polymaker. It's not Polymaker though. But I put label 6 on it to cover up the stuff on there, basically, and also seal the box.
We can do an army printer.
You know what's in here?
How about that?
Anybody guess?
We can try to do
if any of you out there guess what's in there, this is supposed to be going to Kittrell. If any of you can guess what filament is in here, then I'll give you a spool of filament. Not this spool. You'll never guess though.
Oh, that's so boring.
You like dark?
You do know doing bright colors on printers is partially, if you're going to bring them to shows, it catches people's eyes way more than dark.
You're not wrong.
So you want your stuff to kind of pop.
This excuse, no, you failed and you do not get another second chance. Fail. Hey, leave me.
Oh, that's too bad.
No, not a creator spool. Be surprised if someone guesses. I would too, Kittrell. Kittrell's the only one that knows. Electric blue.
Well, this is the color I've been wanting to use.
The radio flyer.
But I don't know if that's a good. What would go good with that? I've been wanting to use that though.
You can read that or not?
Huh?
Lily says hello, Keela.
Hello.
The question is, hello, TJL. The question is, what's in this box?
Oh, we can use it.
I already said it wasn't Polymaker, so that narrows that part down, but you'll never guess.
It wasn't that asked you if we had a KVP Luzbot green, Jeremy.
Get a free spool of filament.
Ooh, gold.
A battle bot.
Jeremy.
Huh?
It wasn't that asked you if we had a KVP Luzbot green.
Prime Hammer wins! I'm just kidding.
I think I got it.
Yes, it is filament.
Okay.
You also have to hit the like button. Smash that like button, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to do.
Hang on.
There'll be a video that we put up of this unboxing too.
Huh?
What?
This would be a collaboration.
We're doing like army style now. You can find go with what you had.
Ooh.
You don't want to use
look
those.
Good. There's your darks.
Cookie CAD. No. Positron, nope.
That is a KVP metallic gold. This is like a Paramount sage green. Actually,
Winner, chicken dinner.
Like a sage green. And this is Polymakers.
Numakers cookie
Army
cat.
brown.
Funny
There.
thing
There's your dark printer.
about this, I didn't figure anyone would guess, but everyone that's even
It's
joked
not dark
around
enough.
and guessed brands, you haven't even got the brand right.
Delta Force Delta Flyer. What are
Nobody's
you
even
trying
got
to
the brand.
guess, and would I know the answer?
Yeah, you would. I asked them what spool is in this box. What kind of filament and what is it? This is supposed to be for Kittrell.
And we have it, apparently, right?
Well, yeah, it's in the box.
Um,
We store all of our spools in vacuum.
I'm gonna say that is a KVP something.
Are you open? Why are you opening these?
This is your printer.
I didn't say you could guess.
Oh, I'm right.
I didn't say
That
it was
actually
higher.
will look kind of nice. What do you think? No? Yeah? No?
Ambrosia ASA, no, no, no. Remember Jeremy Chuck North Delta Force? Nope. Nope. Cybertech, you like the colors? Thanksgiving colors.
More like
Kinda like fall.
Army fallish.
Army fallish, yeah.
Actually, I think these two
Well,
are
you
like
should
Army
use the color
colors.
CAD
But
program.
then you got a pop of some shiny gold. These are
And,
all ASA.
Use
Actually, no. ASA, ABS, but put it like there. It matters how you stack it. I totally love
Does
that.
Ambrosia
I
have a
already
matte
it.
black ABS
Yes.
or ASA? Yes, there is a matte black. Titanium Inno, nope. We got rolls of film. There's so many colors now. You know, if I would have asked this probably a year ago, y'all probably would have got it. I bet.
Well, did you hear what I just asked you a second ago?
What?
It was probably.
I said you're not allowed to say anything, so I can't verify or deny that.
Then I was right, wasn't I?
No, I can't say if you was. I don't know. They got to guess.
Ooh, I could do.
I'll give y'all a couple more minutes. What up, Maker Mine? Not sure about gold, but look at some of the pop scheme. Sorry,
This is
y'all.
ASA,
Family needs me.
right?
No problems. No problems.
Yeah.
Oh, we just went to the unboxing of the Delta Flyer.
Blue and white
showing
look
them all
really
that
good
stuff.
together.
Yeah.
Should ask that about the white. So
Building it with
We-
white.
it's over there. We
Yeah.
have a printer that we use white on,
Don't
and
like-
it faded, it cracked. It's like yellow and dingy, icky
Yeah.
now. So I normally don't recommend that
Give
to
a hint.
people,
Okay.
but it was ABS white, so I'm curious if ASA white would be
Hmm.
different and maybe not do that.
Okay, I'm going to give a hint. You've seen this color on a Steve Build stream.
That you have?
We're guessing what filament is in this box. Wait, hang on. You're not allowed to guess until you hit the like button. Did you guys all hit the like button? Okay, I believe you. What color and what filament brand and everything is in this box? You have to guess the brand and the color. Right. And I'll give you a spool of filament. Blow you a kiss.
What am I
Let's not
missing?
do that. Atomic
That's
orange,
how we'll
sunflower
find out.
orange. Nope, nope, nope. That was a hint, right? And the correct temperature set. Yeah, you need the correct temperature settings, the full profile, nope, no LDO orange, extrusion multiplier range, all that, you know, the flow rate. I need to know the flow rate.
Now
This is
it really
actually kinda
looks
fun.
full.
I'll keep going and I'll let you guys
We don't
do another
have
hint
no
if I need.
protopasta. It's gotta be
We had
KVP.
We had some protopasta.
It's gotta be King.
Well, they have, regardless, they still got to guess the whole thing, even if it was not a good hint.
What was the hint?
I said it's on a Steve Builds stream, and on one of his printers.
Boron red.
No,
There's like every company has boron
No.
red.
that's a good hint. That was a good hint. Why are we guessing and not building? Because it's fun, Kegel.
Because it's Jeremy and you never know what to expect.
We're not building anything today anyway, so.
No, we got too much to
Polymaker
do
Galaxy Black ABS.
today.
Does it change color when heated? See, Kitchell said it's a good hint. I thought so too. I thought it was a good hint too. If y'all watch Steve Builds,
At least I got
there's only so many
I got
printers he
plenty
has,
gold.
and there's only so many colors he has on those printers.
Proper purple. No, you're almost out of that color.
No, it doesn't change colors when heated unless you just say all filament kind of changes colors.
That's ugly.
So what colors do we go? Are you gonna? You should put this on the color CAD and see what it looks like first, and then we'll go from there. No protopasta.
I would just like to get some of this filament used up anyways.
Kegel, you're trying to guess. I'm gonna say it again. Okay, and I'll say this again too. You're not allowed to guess unless you've hit the like button.
Ooh, what about this green?
What's in this box? This is a spool of filament that I'm sending to Birdman Anyweather. Congratulations. Congratulations, Birdman Anyweather. You win.
Hey, graphite. Oh, I was like, that one I just grabbed.
Yep. Birdman got it.
Ooh.
What?
Green and gold. I should do a green and gold. I love green and gold.
Birdman got it. Good.
I just have
good
so many
job.
greens.
All right, I'm out, everyone. Have to go make some more videos. Hey, thanks for hanging out and answering some questions today. I got you on Discord. If I run into any questions or anything, I'll ping you, okay?
Thank you.
Honestly, when these people start building these things, if we need any support stuff, I may get a hold of you if people have questions for issues. Or who should I get a hold of? I'll talk to you later. You have a good day. That ABS makes that stench. Yep. That's the one, Birdman. You got her. Funny.
This looks like Green Bay. Not.
Always be there for support. Okay. Well,
light
thank you.
enough green.
Appreciate it. If
Really
anybody has questions, you can ask right now, or you can ping us later. We also, I will put real quick a link to our Discord. It should work. Let me try it. Let's see if it goes or not. There you go. There's a link to our Discord. If you're not already in our Discord server, click that link, join it. If you have questions, you can ask me, Keela, or if you just want to hang out and show us your pictures of your bird that cusses you out, that's fine too. There's a channel for that. Okay, I want to do this 1-0 tulip modded. So we're going to go ahead and do the giveaway here in just a moment and send you guys on your merry way.
Somebody asked you if we had
yes, who was that?
Green, but I do have one spool right here. I don't know who asked you that.
Brecor last night, yeah.
I don't know if he's still on here,
Yeah,
but
Brecor was asking. Yep.
Brecor, are you still around?
Sure do.
I knew it. I thought I had one. That's
you
the
hear
only
Brecor?
one that we got, too. You could show them all the other ones, too.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. If Brecor is here, are you still here? I'll show it up here anyways, and he can go back and watch it later. How about that?
I'm not sure how you could forget how much Steve is enjoying the graphite filament. In a minute, you might have to drive on by and see us Monday or Tuesday. Let us know, because Jeremy's working for the man now.
Working for the man. Working for the man.
Mondays, he has to go to Wabash every day for meetings.
So yeah, this is the white filament we got. It's eSun. This is some eSun. It's 2.85.
Might go overboard.
It's
can't really see that.
This is a ABS Plus.
What printer did he say he got that he could use this for? Do you remember?
He's working on I think a Lulzbot printer. I can't remember.
I think it was. I think I remember saying.
I can't remember what it was now. He's going to use a 2.85 extruder, and I have some filament here. So this filament,
we literally have had this filament and don't use it, and we've been trying to find someone that can get some use out of it, so that works out.
Actually, one of my buddies that lives local here that we used to play, like games, online games, Ingress and stuff. He actually come by here and brought this stuff to me, probably a year ago now, 8 months maybe. He ended up having a heart attack, and he's no longer with us. But I'd like someone to get use out of it. This one's been open. The rest of them are just partial spools. This looks like white, gray, black, and a natural color. And this one is, we've got blue, green, red, and orange. And these look kind of like your standard, blue, green, red, orange colors. I don't know what else to say about them.
I think.
And that's the same as that one.
Yeah.
That's the same. Black, gray, white, and is that natural? Is that what that's called?
Probably.
And what kind of filament is this? Does it say? This is all PLA. Transparent, I would assume. This is transparent. Let's check and see if that's the PLA. Yeah, that's PLA. And let's check that last one. I can just probably look right here. Yeah, it's all PLA. Yep. They're 0.2 kilogram spools.
Oh, it's another box. Was it just 3?
Yep, those 3 spools or boxes. Yep. Here,
Anyway.
I'll put these out of the way. Let me bring those over here too.
Snoozeberry tastes like snozberries taste like snozberries.
Snozberries, what?
Steven said, "See Tuesday. I built a trident out of gizmodorks. Gizmodorks. What the heck?
Oh, you built yours out of that? The snozberry tastes like snozberries. What? What are we talking about? What in the world are you
That's off a
talking about?
movie.
Okay, well, snozberry this. Is everybody in the giveaway? I'll give you all like 5 minutes.
Just dock someone with the shipping labels
Oh,
on that box.
I saw that when you was handing it to
Yeah,
me. I didn't realize there was shipping, like there was an info on there. It doesn't matter because that address no longer exists anymore, so no one's docked.
Well, it does. It's not for that person.
Yeah, it's not the correct address for that anymore. Like I just told you all, my buddy that gave those to me had a heart attack and passed away, so he cannot be doxxed.
Well, unless his family still lives there.
No, he doesn't. That's what I'm saying.
Well,
Anywho's,
I didn't know him. It was a Pokemon player friend of Jeremy's.
yeah, it's sad actually.
We met a lot of people
Really good dude.
through Pokemon.
He's really good with photography, was into 3D printing, come over here. I helped him with his printer, did some modifications on it, gave him some stuff to send him on his way. He was running on a treadmill. That's it. Yeah, great guy. Really great guy. Yeah, it wasn't Pokemon, it was Ingress, but still, it's same deal, Same.
I played Pokemon. Well, isn't... No, Niantic owns Limbo.
His sister, actually, him and his sister played Ingress, and we played together a lot, and I used to go to these events. It was called First Saturday events. It was the first Saturday of every month. We would all meet up in a specific different town, and we would have like lunch and hang out, and then we would go out for like an hour and like walk around the town and like play the game, basically kind of battle, but kind of play together, because there's two different teams that you got to kind of battle against. He was on the opposite team as me, actually, so we get to razz each other. We're like, your team sucks, yours sucks. Anyways, but we go around and do that quite often. His sister still does. I still talk with her and stuff. So yeah. Yep. When this happened? This was probably a year ago.
At least a year ago. Yeah.
Yeah. About a year ago.
Yeah. Heart failure is no joke.
Yeah.
So I ride him so hard about vaping and smoking cigarettes and not taking care of himself. And
We go get my phone. Okay. Oh, peoples. I noticed that when I was plugging this stuff in. I think the mic didn't make the connection or something. I don't know. It's weird. Very strange. We're gonna do this. Yeah. When I unplugged this guy earlier, I think the connections were not setting down all the way. Let's see. Yeah, there it goes, charging. Just in the shop, making some trays. The Ninja Turtles look like they're going after the ghosts. They do look like they're going after the ghosts, don't they? No, I was telling him when I plugged the mic in today, I noticed that this thing here, it wasn't setting down proper or something because the battery was only like halfway there.
But it's plugged into the computer where that shouldn't have mattered for that piece.
Yes, correct. I know.
So
I'm aware of all that. I am aware of all that.
Issue over here. It's quite.
Where's your?
Don't matter where my mic is.
Yeah,
Good.
there you go. It's all good.
Yeah, but.
Yeah, it's getting annoying. I need to write DJI tell him how I feel. Give him a piece of my mind. Piece of my mind.
Also, give me these. I'm taking them inside. You keep these, and I want to see if it dies in an hour or 3 or 4.
What are you doing?
I want the ones.
Would you just go back over there and let me?
No, the ones I just brought out, I'm gonna leave out here. I'm taking these piece of poop ones, and I want to see if those die too.
Here.
And I've been wanting to try that out and test it and see if it's
take it.
they're good pieces.
Can I hook it up now? Whenever you're done. I gotta find the.
you keep those.
Okay, there we go.
Test. I'm doing a test.
All right, we should be good to go now, ladies and folks and gentlemen, boys and girls. Silly things. Just give Petty Ruxpin his filament, they said. Just give Petty Ruxpin his filament and we can all go home. that take old school batteries? No, it doesn't. It doesn't take old school batteries, and I don't know what's going on with it. I've tried to update the firmware with it. I've tried to plug it in multiple ways. I've tried plugging it into a powered USB hub, thinking maybe that was the issue. What'd you do with it? With them?
With what? Mics?
Yeah.
Over there?
Yeah, I've tried several things with it.
On the shelf?
I don't recall if this one dies like that or not.
I'm taking the mics.
You're going to take this one in, and we're going to use... These are the
ones that I use in there, in the house, on Twitch. Which, I don't know if I've ever done 4 hours on Twitch with those mics, but I think I've done 3.
So here's what we've got.
I brought my mics out here. You use them on the next stream out here and see if they die at 4 hours. Because if they don't, we know those are POS. But if they do, it's something over here that you got hooked up wrong. Or a cord wrong, or something's wrong.
Now, so today, it normally lasts like 4 hours, okay? Today, when I open this up to go on stream, this battery was not all the way charged. So I think it was setting in here a little bit wrong, or the connections were, dirty or something. It didn't get all the way charged, so it was like halfway. So I moved it around and showed where it was charging, and then closed it back. But that was only like 15 minutes before stream. It didn't get a charge all the way. Still.
But you also have that plugged-in computer where that shouldn't die ever.
Can I finish my saying? Yes.
Only these.
So regardless, like she's saying, I've tried plugging it in here into the computer, or plugging it in like this into the computer, and both ways makes the connection so you can use it, but it doesn't stay charged. It slowly dies, even though it's plugged in USB. So it's like it wouldn't make any difference if it's plugged in here or if it's plugged in with the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So anyways, this is the new one, the new-ish one, DJI 2 mics. Okay, they look a little different. They're clear, like that. Supposed to be fancy mics.
Yeah, the fact that we both cut out at the same time is something to do with this. This
is the other. This is the other one. I just took it off, but yeah, and the other parts over there. So.
But these are the ones that I normally use. So next stream we will use these. I will make sure we go over 4 hours, and if these don't die, then there's something wrong with this set.
Projects in Dad's Garage. How do you have yours plugged in? Do you plug yours in through the? You plug in here, because you should be able to leave this plugged into your computer all the time, and just plug these in when you need to charge them, and that's what you should be able to do. But every time I've done it, it dies on me. I don't.
Then your cord's crap.
Maybe my thing's crap. My cord's.
And everybody's told you that for the last 8 months. Have you got a new cord yet?
You plug it in like this to your computer, like that.
Then has this plugged in all the time?
It's probably the cord. Then I don't know if I've tried a different cord. The one thing I probably should have tried.
As many times this happened, I would have thought you would have tried a new cord already.
So it should say charge. It's probably the cord. I mean, it's a new one though. I don't know. I'll try a different one. I will try a different one. What I'll do is take and plug it in with a different cord and just leave it there and see if it dies. This is crap. That's crap. Everything's crap. It's all crap. Every freaking thing.
Okay, Grinch.
Shouldn't have to deal with this crap.
I will say it's very annoying. Yeah. But yeah, that has never happened at not even 2 hours into a stream. Well, that's ridiculous.
Like I said, it was... yeah, that was the thing. Sorry about that. Moving on. Now that our mic is plugged in, let's do the giveaway. Has everybody filled out the link? Y'all have 2-minute warning to fill out the link. We're all going to die one day. Most of these things are dependent, are battery dependent too. So if they had no internal battery, they'll refuse to run. If you have a cord in them. There's battery in them still. I didn't know if being in the UK was an issue. For the giveaway, you got a 5-minute warning, 15 minutes ago. LOL. Yeah, I know, we kind of got interrupted there. So I'm waiting until 2:05 my time, which is 2 minutes away. 2-minute warning now. The 2-minute warning 20 minutes ago by 5 minutes minus 3 squared.
So we have Polymaker 2, which is normally, we have 3 different spools of filament from different companies. And if somebody lands on something that's not US, or they are out of the US and they land on something that's only US, then we will move them over to Polymaker. We can only do that shuffle one time though. So being out of the US is not an issue necessarily.
That depends. That just depends. Anyone want to donate the winnings to Repo? I won't be offended. All right, well, everybody knows, if you want to donate to Repo, you're not going to be offended whatsoever.
So from the charity stream that we did, the Halloween stream, everybody has either got their win or they have been sent to the person that's going to give them their wins. So if you, I know the Chamois, the XR Bunkers, the West 3D folks, and I took care of them. We got everyone, the 3 winners from LDO, sent over to Jason. All the KB 3D winners, we sent it over. All the Fabrica winners, we sent it over. So,
all right,
shouldn't be too long. Shouldn't be too long.
Loading it up. So if you fill it out from this point on, you are out of luck.
Oh, and Brad took care of all the Polymaker peoples that won.
Hey, why is it locked up on me?
You're not going to try? You're in South Africa? Well, Polymaker, I'm pretty sure goes anywhere. Did you say you're going to build a Voron 2.4? That's what all these are except for one. Jeremy just changed the screen on me, but this red and blue one is a Trident, and all the rest of them are 2.4s. Voron 2.4s.
I need to tighten that up. Just here for the giveaway. Just use my $50 West 3D gift card. Thanks. Everyone out there that was here for the Halloween stream, thank you all. That was a blast. We'll be going to this week to give the checks to the shelters. So we'll post that up when we do.
That was the other thing I was going to tell Steven. I wanted to do that this week already, and I've been on him about going with me. But no, your schedule is. I thought when he was going to go work for the man, it was going to be like 9 to 5 or 5 to.
I hope I win. I never win anything.
5 in the morning. I don't know. No, it's still all over the dang place, which is so annoying.
30 minutes speed run. No,
between that and then we had to move money over to where we can pull it out to go get the checks. So hopefully hopefully this week, whenever he gets a stinking free day, I told him I can go by myself and do it now. I would like him to go with me. But yeah, I'm hoping this week we'll go do that.
All right, y'all ready? Give me some numbers out there to shuffle this up. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to hit it a couple times because it's already spinning. The first time, I don't feel like you really need to shuffle it because it's already spinning. The wheel is. Times after that, it just kind of sits there. So I'm just going to hit it a few times.
Filled with a stationary bed. That would be a 2.4. Those are probably my favorite. Voron 2.4s are one of my favorite runners.
First one up, Ambrosia on the list. West 3D, y'all know the drill. Use our code Lemery3D. Code Lemery3D for Numakers and West 3D. If you're going to get Polymaker, we have a link in the description. Click that link before you buy. It'll take you to the website and it'll give us credit. And then we can give more filament away to you. So don't forget to do that. Ambrosia! So, fill the screen up and we'll spin it up. Nada today.
Doing Ambrosia first?
We have Christmas stuff up in our house now.
The wheel makes you dizzy.
Just letting you know.
It would probably me too if I was staring at it.
Makes you dizzy?
So I'm looking at chat over here.
Well,
looking at the wheel.
In a minute, it won't be spinning anymore. It just does that at first. Okay, we're gonna do it. 1, 2, 3, spin. Yeah, it only spins on the first spin, and then it kind of stays put. Looking at Jody C.
Jody.
2-minute warning. Timer has begun. Jody, are you here? You've won some Ambrosia filament from West 3D. If you are still here, that is me. Woo!
Congratulations.
Okay, all right. There you go. Remove that. All right, y'all know the drill. Next up, Numakers. I just told you about Numakers. You can use code LeeMarie3D for that too. Anybody out there that gets any Numakers, they do have some cool colors.
Also, Polymaker and Numakers are both running some crazy Black Friday
Sales
deals,
right now.
like pretty much all month from what I looked at.
Yeah.
So now is a good time to get filament. I did ask Daniel if he was planning to do anything like that with Ambrosia because
did he say anything yet?
obviously he said, I don't think he's planning to do anything like that long, but he said he will go, what did he say? More harsher or something, like he's going to go bigger, but not for as long or something like that.
Yeah. So less time to do it, but bigger discounts.
Something. Yeah.
Okay. That's cool. Yeah. Yeah. So, and if you haven't seen if you don't do TikTok, it's fine. If you do, check out our TikToks. Keel's been putting some stuff up there. Also YouTube Shorts. Check out the shorts. Like them. Leave comments on them for us. She just put the short up on YouTube as well for the Numakers pumpkins that was printed. Really cool. They come out really good.
The Numaker PLA-CF. Oh my gosh. I've used some of their silks. I've used some of their standard PLA. I've used the PLA-CFs. I haven't used any ABS or ASA yet, but the PLA-CF is nice. It is so nice.
I love Tic Tacs. The orange ones are my favorite. Yeah, I do too. They're really good. All right. Give me some numbers out there in chat. Everybody throw a number in chat. A number between 1 and whatever you want to say, as long as it's not more than 50.
Tic Tac, man, I haven't thought about Tic Tacs in forever. The orange ones are really good though.
They have, they still have Tic Tacs out there.
Mm-hmm.
The orange ones were always the best though. You're right. I will take it. I was watching a friend's charity. Let's see who we got here. 7-6.
Who was doing a charity stream with Central?
6-7, y'all.
There are a lot lately.
6-7, weave, clown hammer, palms. Getting a lot of 6s, so let's do that. How about that?
3D print fake Tic Tacs for questionable pranks. Sad thing is, those are small enough you could definitely swallow them.
If you all are members of the channel,
you could look pretty on point.
You get to be able to use our emotes. So if you can use our emotes, spam Numakers. Spam the Numakers emote in chat. If you're not a member of the channel, become one. If you can. If you can. If you have the financial ability and can help, we appreciate it.
Which is extremely difficult nowadays.
These days, it's becoming hard. It is becoming hard on everyone.
It really is.
Only ask people that are able to. Hitting like and commenting does help as well.
Hawk727 on Twitch is doing 24 hours for Iowa Children's Hospital.
Okay.
Nice, okay.
Hawk727. Wick Central, can you share that in the self-promotion of our Discord or something?
Oh, HawkFan727.
Yeah, share the link to that in the LeeMarie Discord. These.
I know, I almost said Steve Builds. I know Joel Telling is getting, isn't it next month?
Fun. Yeah.
Is it the end of this month or it's either end of November, beginning of December? He does one for Seattle's Children's Hospital too. Indiana has Riley Children's Hospital, which is huge too. Yep. There's so many different organizations that are out there to help that all need it really bad.
All right, I'm going to take that. Y'all almost filled the page up. You did okay. I will accept. Here we go. 1, 2, 3 for the spin of Numakers.
Didn't Kinley go to Riley's?
Yes. No, it was in Nashville. That was Vanderbilt Children's Hospital.
Oh. Thunder Keys!
Thunder! Thunder Keys, are you here?
Da-da-da-da-da.
Your timer has begun.
Thunderstroke.
You want some Numakers? You always pulled up and you get ready to mark it. Just sit okay. That way it's ready to roll. Congratulations, Thunder Keys. Numakers, come on. Say something in chat. Say something in chat if you're in the chat with your chap.
Thunder Keys.
Come on, Thunder. I got faith in you.
Actually, I don't know if I saw him
1
say
minute,
anything
26
sick.
seconds.
He couldn't. Can't a lot of people
Win and
enter?
dip.
Wait, maybe not.
We
Maybe
got
I'm
a win
thinking
and
of something
dipper.
else. You might have a win and dipper.
Win and dip.
You didn't even start the timer to know.
I didn't.
Oh, you used to do it there. Throw
Yeah.
me off.
Well, it's all right here now. We might have a win and dipper here, y'all. Thunder's got.
Bryce, I'll take it for him.
Thunder's got.
Bryce, are you streaming today?
He's got teenagers to deal with too.
This mic is like, choking me.
42 seconds. 42 seconds.
I don't know if he's gonna make it.
Drum roll, everyone.
It's the Bronco. Clear weather today.
Drum
It is
roll,
pretty clear
drum roll,
here
drum
too.
roll.
In Indiana. Where are you at? TJL, WTF. That could be literally my username on everything, just WTF, because that's pretty much what I think of most things.
Bam, chicka, bam, bam.
California, nice.
California, okay.
So your weather is definitely nicer than ours.
Yeah, definitely.
We're just in central Indiana.
Definitely.
All right, Thunder, you lost it. My
Thunder,
friend.
you lost your win. Time is up. Okay, y'all know how the drill goes. We're gonna shuffle this again, and we will respin. Sorry, Thunder Keys.
Where's
Sorry.
the fruit? Fruit by the foot?
Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Let's try this again.
I don't have no.
Here we go for the spin.
Red Printer, when are you gonna put when's your house that your New York house lamp? When is that gonna be up?
Howie DeWitt.
Howie DeWitt.
Howie DeWitt. Are you
Oh,
here?
WTF means where's the fruit? When do you think that model's gonna be up? I think that is gonna be really fun to print.
2-minute warning on that. Are you here? Let's see if Howie DeWitt is here in chat. Congratulations.
No, Bearded Printer's building, it's like a brick house. It's in New York. Kind of look like one of the townhomes in New York, you know? It reminded me of the house on Home Alone, where, the New York version, obviously, where he
Lost
goes
in
to
New York.
his his aunts and uncle's house, and they're away for vacation or something,
Yeah.
and they're remodeling the home. That's kind of the vibe I got. It was nice. And it's a lamp. It's going to be really cool.
Something like that. Howie DeWitt, you got 1 minute and 22 seconds to claim your prize, or it is lost forever.
Hoping to have it up next weekend. Heck yeah. And you're about to design it. Just got to print it and make sure it works. That's a good rule of thumb. I never really thought about that. But yeah, to print it yourself, make sure it's good to go.
Oh, yeah. There you are. You're here. Congratulations. You won Numaker. Filament. Numakers. Here we go.
Congrats. How you do it?
Just in time. You had about 50 seconds left to go, so he wasn't doing too bad there.
Earthquakes in California aren't as bad as people make it out to be. You used to live in Mexico City, and it was way worse.
All right, last one is for Polymaker.
I've never
This is U.S., Canada, worldwide.
been through an earthquake, thank goodness.
Everybody that can hear this voice right now, drop a number in chat. just open your thing, just hit a number and hit send. Just do it real quick for me. Everyone. Please.
I don't know if I saw if Bryce said he was streaming or not. Did I miss?
And like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. I see lots of numbers. There we go. Kitchell, is that your cell phone number? Kitchell dropped his cell phone number in chat. Everybody blow him up. It's like Mike Jones.
I'm curious what that number's from.
8004. That's my cell phone number. Hit me up on the road.
He is, Michaela. Thank you. I was like, he might have said it, but then it moved too fast and I lost it.
Gergman 20 says 27. Let's do that. I'm going to go with that one.
What time? Is it now? 3 o'clock. 3 Eastern is what your time? 2, 1, 10.
6, 27.
What time your time, Michaela?
Y'all know the drill. Same thing. Everybody that can hear me, drop Polymaker in chat. If you don't have the emotes, if you're not a member,
it's like really close.
Just say Polymaker. Now. Say I love Polymaker.
Oh, when you get back. So, if y'all are not following
Makers.
If you're not following Mr. Excuse, he's going to be streaming, as Michaela said, when they get back home. So pretty soon. I think normally around 3 Eastern, close to that, but she said whenever they get home.
Mr. Franco, there you go.
If you're not following him and you like to watch people on Twitch, go follow Mr. Excuse. Also, get another chance to win some Ambrosia filament over there.
Polymaker's awesome. AFM 380. There we go. All right, peoples. Here we go for the last spin of the afternoon, evening, and good night. 1, 2, 3. Go.
I heard that, Penguin Makers. RJ shared your channel here for us.
I clicked away for a second.
Was it
went away.
November 16th? I think it was November 16th.
Petty.
Who the heck is even that?
Petty snuck it.
What the heck?
It's Kegel. Kegel snuck it. Kegel snuck it because he put Petty's. Y'all are getting slick.
I got a story for you on that. First of all, let's confirm Kegel's here.
So tell him the story.
He's
See,
here.
Kegel, it works. It works. It's a thing. The algorithm or the thing sees Petty Ruxman's name and it just wins. So everyone out there has been changing their name to Petty Ruxman, but leaving their name in there. That way they still win.
Then he said, you can send me that one too. No, so what was funny about that is that, I'll probably, don't take the wheel down yet, but.
I'm setting the timer.
He's already here.
I forgot. Oh, Kegel's here?
Yeah,
okay.
I already said he's here.
All right.
Now you make me second. Yeah, said totally works. So I think Kegel is probably maybe the 4th person now that has added Petty and then something. I don't think it's the Ruxpin part. I think it's the Petty part because someone went Petty. It was Hadron Petty Hadruxpin or something like that. Everyone has put the word Petty. And I think since doing that, and this is just in the last couple weeks, 4 people have won like that, which is kind of very funny. But on our charity stream, when we did the Halloween stream, GTR Dad changed his name with Petty in it, and he won as well. And Jeremy put down Petty Ruxpin won. Because it confused him. And then so I'm looking at the spreadsheet, and this is why I write things down, folks.
And this is why it does supposed to say name in chat.
So this is why I write things down. But anyway, I reach out to Petty and I was like, hey, you won it was a G-Code mouse pad from KB3D. Can you set up an account and give me your email? He says, I don't think I won anything. And I'm like, who was it that put Petty in their name? Because Jeremy just straight up gave it to Petty.
Yeah.
So be careful doing that, y'all.
Yeah, you might lose your prize.
And then I had to go grab my notebook and pull it out, and it was actually supposed to be GTR Dad.
Old school notebook came through.
Yeah, and that is why I write things down. So I went and had to go watch the whole stream again to figure out who I was missing.
Yeah, old school notebook come through.
Mm-hmm. And on that note, I was going to give one to Petty anyway, for being honest. I have sent all the giveaways away to their winners, so I don't have another G-code mouse pad to give away, but I'd say we give away another Ambrosia spool today.
Keela and her notebook saves the day. You want to do another one? Another Ambrosia spool.
This is for just cuz. Also, we love you. And for Jeremy's mix-up.
First of all,
now I want to see if Petty Ruxpin wins because he said, "Don't worry about it. I'll win it. Give it away in the stream, and I'll win it there." So this, I don't have a mouse pad, but this is for that. Let's see if you get it, Petty Ruxpin.
We are going to gift 5 memberships to you all too. So let's do that real quick now. Congratulations, 5 members out there. Gifted memberships. There you go. It's a new month. 5 more memberships have been gifted from us.
Tulsa said, "Can you add me to the wheel?"
Net Venitive, Chris Walker, Brent Ferguson, and we've all received a membership.
Chris Walker, Brent Ferguson, Net Vintage.
Dang it. Oh, yeah, TechJeeper said we should just add a thing in the form that says, "What is your Petty Ruxpin alibi?" Or your alias. Alibi.
Yeah.
Anyways, yeah, put it in there so everybody can put their Petty Ruxpin alias in.
That'd be hilarious.
Yep.
Tulsa Skins asked if you can put them in. Apparently you didn't close the giveaway link and he snuck in, but you haven't just copied them over.
I can't now.
Can't?
I can't. It's impossible for me to do it with the way it's set up now. It'll break the thing, yeah. I can't, I'm sorry.
Take that up with Polymaker.
It's once it's
Josh and him have some new format. I don't know. It's over my head.
It pulls in and out automatically. So if you don't get in before the time's up, it's not in there. Anyways, sciatic pain sucks. Yes, it does.
100%.
My back's not feeling great right now either. Okay.
So my sciatic always wants to get me behind my thighs more than my back.
So I'm going to shuffle this up, and we're going to do another one.
Blame YouTube for not notifying.
That looks shuffled.
Yeah, it used to be just a spreadsheet. We could pull you over, but that's what you get when you're dealing with two techie boys, Jeremy and Josh together.
That's what you get.
I've already been over here like, what the heck is this? What are you doing?
All right, we're shuffle.
And also, sorry, Josh, because one day I was trying to do giveaways on the spreadsheet, the new thing y'all got going on. And I told Jeremy, I was like, oh my gosh, this is a lot. And not that I can't figure it out, but there's just a lot to look at. And I like to simplify things. Also, I was talking about, I like to color coordinate things.
I haven't got with him on that yet.
So I was like, I can't change the colors on this one anymore.
I'm going to get with you later on that.
But anyway, I'm sorry for being annoying and picky. And he shouldn't have interrupted you on your vacation. I'm sorry. Just because I was throwing a feed a baby.
Okay. Last one. Yeah, we're making improvements where we can practice. We're done all kinds of other things too. So, last filament spool here from Ambrosia. If you are, this is only going to be for US. Okay, so if it lands on you and you're not in the United States, you're going to have to respin this. But here we go.
All right. See, it would be quite funny if it does land on Petty Ruxpin.
Yeah.
Thunder keys.
Yeah. We got to respin. We got to respin that.
Unfortunately, this one is US.
Yeah. I'm going to shuffle a couple times there. Yeah, Thunder. We tried to wait for you.
Aw, I'm sorry, Josh.
Looks like we got a Mad Owl.
We have the Mad Owl.
Mad Owl in the chat. Timer's begun.
I'm sorry, Petty. Unless Mad Owl's not here. Thunder, what were you doing, Thunder? You said stupid contractor was here to give an estimate. Oh no! I would have been like, can you wait?
I told him it's probably something with the kids, because it usually is for me. Mad Owl, did we get a?
Not yet.
No confirmation yet. All right.
Oh, right there. Hoot hoot.
Hoot hoot. Mad Owl.
Congratulations on some Ambrosia.
There you go, and there you have it.
All right, we should be squared away.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, everyone. Thank you for the super chats. Anyone's done today, thank you for the
Thank you,
gifted
Patty.
memberships and people becoming members when you can. Thank you for the likes, the subscribes. We'll try to get this video edited and put an unboxing up for that.
And then next stream, actually build some on it.
Well, next stream we're going to be doing a members only stream. So if you can become a member, now it's time to do it.
But that's not going to be Saturday.
No, it's going to be throughout the week, probably. Like, I don't know,
Jeremy's going to plan a member stream sometime during the week. We don't. Whatever works for our schedule. Random.
like Tuesday, Wednesday.
But no, I was talking about next Saturday. Can we work on building this?
Yeah,
like,
if we can get some parts,
we can get some parts
started printed and the color figured out.
Yeah. Alrighty.
Everyone have a great day. Thank you for coming by watching. Have a good weekend.
Happy Saturday. Don't forget to go watch Mr. Excuse later. And 3D Printing Elves tomorrow. Noon Eastern time. Kill a Print stream. Don't forget.
Go to Kill a Prints. We're going to be there.